Hi, my name is Richard Garcia, America's math teacher. In this video, we will learn an important lesson for math success, multiplication. You may know it as timetables. We will learn what it means and how to do it. This skill is probably the most important skill that a child needs in order to move on to higher levels of math. Let's turn now to our lesson and see what we can discover.
A technique to solve any multiplication problem. Ask a kid to arrive at the answer for 6 times 7 and they can do it. That is, if they know their multiplication facts. But what if they don't? What if they don't know their math facts? Now that is a different story. A kid who can't remember his or her math facts is left simply to guess or to give up. What if a kid is given a tool to solve this problem? Even if he or she doesn't know his or her math facts, then they will not only be able to solve 6 times 7, but they will also be able to solve any other multiplication problem. What is this tool? It is a technique that is derived from an approach that can be used to not only solve multiplication problems, but addition, subtraction, and division problems as well. It is a simple technique. So simple, you may even think it's crazy. All you need is pencil and paper. All you do is draw circles and dots. You say, what? Just draw circles and dots? Yes, that's all. By drawing circles and dots, kids will not only be able to solve 6 times 7, but they will also be able to solve any multiplication problem, as I said. Let me show you what I mean. Let's take the example of 6 times 7 that has been presented. 6 times 7.
Kids who can't memorize their math facts will only have limited success in school. I want to teach you a technique that any kid can use to help them solve any multiplication problem. Let's see what we discover.
Let's draw 6 circles to represent the 6. We should label them to make sure we have the 6 circles we need to solve this problem. Next, let's draw 7 dots in each circle to represent the number 7. This is a model of what 6 times 7 means. Now, all a student needs to do is count their way to math success. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42.
The visual component to my approach provides another path to learning. It is especially helpful for kids who have difficulties with visualization. They can see what math is, and this will help them understand it. Let's return to the lesson.
You see that counting provided an avenue, a path, for the child to solve this problem. But there is much more that they learn in the process. They also learn that 1 times 7 is 7, and that 2 times 7 is 14, and that 3 times 7 is 21, and so on. They also learn what 6 times 7 means in a visual form, which in turn helps them remember their multiplication facts. They also learn that one number represents units and the other represents the amount that each unit contains. They learn that multiplication is repeated addition. Most importantly, they learn a strategy to solve any single digit by single digit multiplication problem. In another lesson, I will share a simple technique used in combination with the technique shared to help any child solve any multi-digit by single-digit multiplication problem in a matter of minutes.
Visual models help kids learn on a variety of levels. They see things they may otherwise never see. This is a key component to the success of my program. You see that using this technique helps kids learn on a variety of levels. They are doing and learning at the same time. Through this technique, your child can find their way to math success. In our next video, we will use this technique to move to solving complex problems. Until then, keep counting your way to math success.